India will assume the presidency of the G20 for 1 year from tomorrow to till 30th November next year. President Draupadi Murmu will confer the National Sports Award 2022 and National Adventure Awards 2021 at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has invited the people to participate in Mann Ki Baat quiz regarding topics covered during the month's episode of Mann Ki Baat, including several community efforts. India has witnessed a significant decline in the maternal mortality ratio MMR from 130 in 2014-2016 to 97 per lakh live births in 2018-20. In FIFA World Cup 2022 today, Tunisia will face France while Australia will lock horns with